welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Di. So I just wanted to do this video before I finally went to sleep. If you want details on this look, I will link the link to this video of me to get ready with me. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video, which you see the title, so you know what it's about. Obviously I've been like missing from my YouTube channel for like a long time, and you know, I just been like everybody else going through, you know, life events, just things in life. So I just wanted to make a quick video and give you guys just some, you know, like updates and stuff with what's going on with me. So to start, I want to start with this because this was something that surprised me. So I had been dealing with health problems in general, but just recently I went to the doctor and I found out that I have a bacterial infection in my stomach. So that has really taken me out recently. It's caused weight loss. It's caused kidney troubles. It's just been like a whole lot. It's caused a lot of issues for me. So yeah, that's that. And I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible. I don't want it to be like super long, but and also, so I have had gastroparesis for a few years now, and basically gastroparesis is it's described to me as delayed emptying of my small intestine to my large intestine. So that's what it's been told to me, and I developed that maybe like a year after my son was born, so maybe around 2016 or so. So I have been struggling with gastroparesis for a while, and so I also, while I was there getting the information about the bacterial infection, I discovered that I also have Crohn's disease. I don't currently know what type. They are going to be doing tests and stuff in the next few weeks, and they will tell me what type of Crohn's disease I have, which also has the nausea and vomiting and weight loss and things that the infection kind of gave, and the gastroparesis. So it's just been a whole, I can't even explain it. It's just been a whirlwind. At least the last like year or so has just been crazy. So yeah, so I also, you know, developed high blood pressure. That was random as well. No, they, like my doctor and, you know, it's just they didn't know that the infection was messing with my blood pressure. So I had developed high blood pressure. They're not even sure if I actually have high blood pressure or if it was due to the infection. So again, I'll be getting tests done for that to determine everything. And then I developed real bad kidney issues, you know, with the swelling of the legs and everything. And again, they believe that it has something to do with this bacterial infection, which, you know, there was also talks about parasites and stuff in my stomach. So again, just issues with that. I developed a kidney infection, and then I had to do dialysis for a little while, and then they took it out. And I mean, it's just so much that was, that I was dealing with regarding just from this bacterial infection and the parasites. Then there was like other personal things that was like going on. If you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my iPad for my notes so I don't forget anything. So basically as far as financially, I was going through a lot. I was working at a restaurant. It was a drag bar, actually, with drag queens, and I was a server, the only black server, full black, actual black server, by the way. But that could be like a separate story time or whatever. But basically, I had issues with that job, and I was able to get another job fairly quickly, and this is almost 2 years ago, with the job situation. So I was able to get another job. Again, that could be in the story time about how I got the new job. But yeah, I basically had a ghosting boss that liked to ghost people. So that's that. And then I am currently on a housing program. And basically, the lady at the leasing office, I think I could give a story time about that too. If you guys want a story time about the issues with my housing lady, the leasing lady, that could be another one too. I had just been, and keep in mind, this is all going on in the last 2 years, and they're going on at the same time. All of this, being sick, these random sicknesses and things like that, losing that job and getting a new one, but also about to get put out from my housing because this lady she just got it out for me at the leasing office. But again, that's another story time. And then, in general, I'm a single mother. So my son's father is involved, and I'll just leave it at that. I'll just leave it at that. But I am mainly a single parent, and I do get support and help from my stepdad, and sometimes I call him my dad, same person. But I get support and help and stuff, with my son, who is almost 8 years old. But yeah, I get support with them and, my aunts and things like that. So I do have, some support, but my parents are considered elderly. And so, there's their health issues and dealing with them and helping them through things, and especially my mom. So that's, more going on in my life at that. So yeah. And then, really honestly, to end this video off, because I'm gonna get ready to take all this makeup off, and I have a night care skin routine coming soon. I've been testing out some products, so I should have that soon for you guys. But yeah, I just in a morning routine as well, morning skincare routine. So I'll have, and then I have like a weekly routine that I have as well. So I'll have those videos coming up soon, because I'm really trying to get, back on track with everything, with life, everything. It's just, been a whole lot. So yeah, I got new things coming to the channel. I'm trying to be, more consistent and have, upload schedule and things like that. So, I have been missing for a while, but I definitely want to get back into it and, grow my channel and do what's, my passion. Literally, been going through so many health things, in and out of the hospital, doctor's offices, appointments, just, dealing with my son's appointments. He got eczema, and things like that. Dealing with his appointments, my parents' appointments. It's just, it's just been, just all over the place. And then, I also recently lost one of my cousins a few months ago in a car accident. And then, again, this is all in the last 2 years or so. And then my cousin just passed. Our uncle passed just 2 years before that. And he had just got married and everything. It's just crazy. He went fairly quickly too, our uncle. So yeah, it's just been a whole lot. It's just, like everybody else. But I did feel like I owed an explanation for like why I got these like, weird uploads and no consistency and and I'm still sick. I'm still, like I said, I got to get tests and things done to see specialists and things like that, and pills and different treatments for antibiotics and things like that. So I have a lot that I have to deal with still, but I'm back. So again, any details or anything that you may need will be in the description box. And I want to, thank you guys for coming back to my channel, and I hope you like, share, and subscribe, and I will keep you guys up to date with what's going on in my life. And yeah, so see you guys later.